It's a new day. It's new blessings. We give all praise to the Most High, man. Let's get it. My fault. I've been gone for a minute, man. Y'all already know the drill, bro. If I'm on posting a vid, I ain't take a trade. Just continue to be consistent on and off the charts, and just not forcing myself to take the setup. Only taking it when the model is presented. So today we're gonna be discussing our weekly recap of this whole week of Q1. If y'all trade quarterly theory, I know that Q1 is either a continuation or accumulation. So I appreciate y'all for tapping in. But before we get started on the weekly recap, it wants to go right here. We got to do verse of the day. And verse of the day, because today is Holy Week. Today is Holy Day, but really every day is Holy Day. Not just one day out the year, it's every day. We're in the book of Matthew chapter 28, verse 6. He isn't here. He is risen from the dead, just as he had said it would happen. Come see where his body was lying. He is risen. The Lord was risen. This was the conclusion of the coming of the Messiah, putting death not only to all sins, but putting death and coming back from the dead. No man has ever done that. Only God can do that. So take time out this week to just read the Gospels and see what Lord Jesus, Lord Yahweh, the Most High, did for us, just defeating death, defeating sins, and how our whole life is owed to Him. That the only reason we're righteous and holy is because of His blood. But nevertheless, let's get into the trade recap. So to show y'all, so on Thursday we got a win. Then on Monday and Tuesday we took a loss. And so I know y'all see the big numbers, but really it wasn't no. I took 2 trades each day, so that's why the loss is very high. So again, I'm pretty much damn near break even on the account. Still 51 for 28. That's pretty much it, bro. I was on a winning streak for a bit, then started losing. Then Thursday I got right, so I still need like at least 1,500, really 1,600 to pass the account. But let's get started, and I am gonna show y'all my personal journal. So, if y'all new to trading and y'all don't know how to journal, what I recommend doing is just making a Google Slides where you could just, make a bunch of presentations, and that's where I really throw the journal, bro. And so this is my 2026 journal. Journaling every trading day, and as you can see today, since it is 4/3/26, as I can see in the corner right there, it's a bank holiday, so I didn't trade obviously today. And if y'all trade on bank holidays, y'all either a loser or y'all no life, one of those two. But let's get started. Just showing y'all my thought process into each trade that I took. As you can see, we took our first trade of the week on Monday. We took 2 trades actually, and so I'm not gonna read all this. Y'all can pause and read what I put down. But basically, we had the AMDX model, so accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and we expect that Q4, or going into Q4, to distribute or to reverse. Knowing this, we went into the macro sesh. We had our 2-stage sequential SMC. We had one right here after filling the consequent coachman of this open range gap. Got the TCISD, but we didn't get the ATM, but we took our entry off the TCISD since it was below 2 true opens, and we were going into the macro sesh, and price already did his objective by sweeping these lows and filling the consequent coachman of this open range gap. Took a buy right here, got stopped out. Same criteria as before, but I'm pretty sure we did sweep London lows right here. As I can see in my journal, we swept London lows right here for our second trade. TCISD entry was right there, same criteria as before, but we got stopped out. Took it with well managed risk. It was about like 300 loss on each trade. That's why I could see I lost 615 in total. So going into my next day on Tuesday, which we had red folder news, and this whole week was red folder news. So expect everything that I say, I want y'all to take for granted and actually go into the charts and look for itself, because really the charts is going to teach you way more than any of me or any mentor can teach you. The charts will teach you. So just look at the first week of every month. Price moves very, very dramatically. That's what I'm saying. It's either continuation or accumulation. And as I can see this week, we continuated, rebalancing this daily fair value gap. And because as y'all can see, since like January, we've been dumping. Now we're starting to rebalance it. So just again, I recommend y'all just to go back, look in the charts, and price either might accumulate, as y'all can see right here. But Tuesday, yeah. So again, y'all can pause right here. I'll full screen it for y'all, but y'all can pause and read it right there. I'm not gonna go ahead and read that. It's too much yapping, but same criteria. Y'all already know my model, bro. Like 2-stage, got the minus sweep right here. From the 2-stage right here, took my entry off the TCSD above all true opens. Same, got stopped out with proper risk management. Same criteria as before, but y'all know the drill, got stopped out. And as you can see, on Tuesday, New York just distributed. So, yeah, man, not mad at it. See the model, we take it. Wednesday, I didn't take any trades. My model did not form. Then y'all can see on Thursday, y'all can pause and read it right here. But basically, we had an XAMD model. So after price, I think Thursday we tapped into this one daily position swing point and fill this daily fair value gap. So I wanted to see, since we had an XAMD model, meaning continuation, accumulation, manipulation, I wanted price to see us give that little pump fake. And so as you can see right here, we got a pump fake, which is our manipulation, trending to a higher time frame Peter Ray, which confirmed the 2-stage sequential SMT. So once price trades into a high time frame gap or Peter Ray, and you get a higher time frame sequential SMT, you don't need a lower time frame to confirm it because it's already confirmed by trading into a higher time frame. So then we got the TCISD above two true opens. We got an entry right here off the TCISD. Took it right here, targeting this minor sweep of liquidity right there. And yeah, bro, as y'all can see, I made $850 on that, which is cool, but I just gotta be more consistent. And I think something that I'm taking out from just journaling is, yes, like I'm very confident in my model. I know sometimes it's going back, like it's gonna hit me good, but I have to continue just trying to target the same my same TPs. My wins need to be more consistent, just as my losses are consistent. As I can see here, the trades that I took with micros, my wins need to be more consistent. I know this was a break-even trade, but this should be 1,000. This should be 1,000. This should be 1,000. I Ben should have have this. I can't already pass, but this is why we do these things right here. This is why we journal, to look back at our past mistakes and to see where we can improve on. Not saying I have to change the whole model, but something I could be more consistent on. And the markets are they're turning way better now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Here was the weekly recap, as y'all can see right there. Going into next week, we are at Q2, so either spec, since price continuated, either spec accumulation or manipulation. And if y'all want to see where I get all this game from, like I advise y'all to screenshot this and back test it. As you can see, Q1 of this week we continuated. So like I said before, we expect accumulation. So be very careful going into next week, and we gotta look at the red folder news for next week. So Monday we have PMI. Then Tuesday, really nothing. Wednesday, FOMC. Be very careful. Thursday and Friday should be good trading days. CPI, pretty easy. Yeah, bro. So next week should be an alright trading week. What I want to see happen is us to continue to rebalance all this. Like, we have a bunch of liquidity that needs to be swept, and we go on a higher time frame. We have a bunch of gaps that need to be filled in right here. So I expect those to be filled in, but just take it easy. My next draw on liquidity going into next week is the previous week's highs. I want to see price sweep that, and we'll take it from there. But I appreciate y'all for tapping in to the YouTube video. Continue just to back test. Continue to take time. Most importantly, take time spending time with the Lord, because at the end of the day, all this training stuff is cool, but it's just a tool that the Lord gave me, and He might give to y'all. And it's just adding on to Him, glorifying Him in all things that we do. So I appreciate y'all for tapping in. Let me know how y'all do this week. Did you have a break even week? Did y'all lose this week? Did y'all take a win this week? Y'all got any payouts? Like whatever. Y'all let me know in the comments. But again, I appreciate you for tapping in and continue to be productive with the time the Lord has given you. Peace.